I've noticed a quirky thing in the embedded calendars in Moodle recently, and I just want to make sure that you have an opportunity to get the right information so that the display of your calendar is in the right time zone. So, for example, if you look at Monica Paul's calendar right here, she has her time zone in what's called Appia or Apia. I actually don't know what that time zone is. I'm not familiar with it. But she chose that because she found that that would be the time zone that would give her the most accurate display of the time of her events based on what she put on her calendar. When she had Central Time chosen, it didn't actually display her events at the right time. So um, this definitely needs to say Central Time, but what I noticed is that you have to set your time zone in 3 places in your Hopkins Apps calendar. So I'm going to go back to my calendar and show you where those 3 places where you have to actually set the time zone need to be. All right, place number 1 is the obvious one. So if you create a course calendar, like I have this one here called Life Science 7, click on the triangle next to it, go to your calendar settings, and if you scroll down to the middle, it says calendar time zone. That has to say Central Time. That is time zone number 1. All right. Then when you embed this into your Moodle page, if you click on that same triangle and go to calendar settings, I'm not sure why I had to do that twice, but I did. And you go to embed this calendar and you have this ability to customize. When you do that, you on the far left hand side at the bottom, you notice that there's the time zone drop down menu. Make sure that you have Central Time chosen there as well. Okay, that's place number 2. It is place number 3 that is the one that has been problematic for people. And actually, I just discovered this. I had no idea. There is a dial in the upper right hand corner of your calendar in Hopkins Apps. If you click on that, you have some general calendar settings. These are your settings that apply for every calendar you've created. So if I click on that, lo and behold, there is a time zone thing again. So you have to make sure that that says Central Time as well. And that's been the little quirky thing for folks, is that that third one has not been set to time zone, Central Time. And as a result, the display in the embedded calendar has been off a little bit. So that's it. 1, 2, 3 times you have to set your calendar for Central Time, which is weird. So sorry about that, but that's the secret.